So hello and welcome everyone to a new day and a new vlog with me here in Singapore. So today we are heading back. Now this is the last day for our trip in Singapore and we've just checked out and now heading towards the airport. So I'll see you next over there and show you the airport around a little bit before we head on for our flight. Before we head on to our journey, let's show you our room in this hotel, how it looks and the view with it, and after that we'll continue towards our journey for the day. So welcome to our room in Singapore for 3 days. So that's the bathroom on the left hand side and that's the city view. That's 4-point Sheraton in the front that you can see, the grey building over there, and that's the main road. I really love this, like you can see mostly like it's in the CBD, so everything is nearby. So that's one of the cafe and it really had a good coffee. I just tried it. So you can see the waterfall at the back from there. So we have finally arrived at the Changi Airport in Singapore. My god, it's a long way. So that's the Terminal 1 on my left hand side, and on my right side is the Jewel, as you can see in front of me. I could really see through the fountain, the largest waterfall, indoor waterfall in the world, right through the glass over there. So let's go and show you guys what it is like at the Singapore Changi Airport. That's how it looks from inside. Oh my god. And that's the famous, the biggest indoor waterfall right in front of me. Really looks stunning. That's how it looks from the top, but I think there's a way to go on the top where the train is going as well, and at the bottom too. So let's explore it a bit and let's go around and see it from a different view. My god, it's huge, it's really huge. So it's known as one of the biggest indoor waterfalls in the world, which is here at the Changi Airport. Like, can just imagine, like one of the biggest in the world. That's why I think Singapore Changi's airport as well is also known as one of the best airports in the world. You've got shops around here, you've got, if you're a shopaholic, plenty of shops, and obviously you get a 10% tax refund for all whatever you buy if you're a tourist. So a brownie for everything. We're now at the bottom of the waterfall. Oh my god, it really looks stunning from every view, no matter where you watch it from. Somebody. Oh my god, just look at that. And Singapore is also known as for, the garden city, because everywhere it's a garden created indoors, like the world's largest greenhouse as well as also in Singapore, which we showed you at the cloud forest in the previous video as well. Let's try and go up on the top and see the view from there as well. So we are now at the Canopy Bridge. So that's the bridge in front where we have to go, but it is a ticketed spot, so let's head and take our tickets first. So we've just got ourselves the ticket for the bridge and this is how it looks. That's the Canopy Bridge. It's called the MasterCard Canopy Bridge, and if you take the bundle it includes a lot of things, which is the maze and a few other things which I'll show you just in a moment. But for now, look at this beauty. came down from there at the bottom. So this whole park that you can see behind me is known as the Canopy Park, and this bridge which I am standing on is known as the Canopy Bridge, which is provided by MasterCard. So let's head off to our next attraction here at the Jewel. Thank you. So this is the hedge maze. So let's see how it is. No way, no. So I think I've located the Sky Tower now. Finally. They told me that there is a Sky Tower if you are able to find it. And I finally found it. My god, it's a scary maze. Everything looks similar, so it's really hard to get out. Finally I found it. I'm really loving my time at this airport, man. Like, it's been, you know, like it's rated one of the best airports in the world by Skytrax consecutively. So worth it. So we are now about to enter the Canopy Park in Jewel. It seems like a jungle safari adventure. Like, you can see plants everywhere. It's kind of a park theme and really amazing. It's a walk. Okay, let's go. Okay. No, that's alright. So I think that's another viewing point. So it's suitable for weddings as well. So that's the floral arc made for the bride and groom if anybody wants to have a wedding. Kind of a fantasy land thing, man.
She says it's fine.
I'm really surprised, I mean mesmerized by how the water is going down. So at the end of the park we've got these jewel blooms, and I think that's the exit of the park. Thank you. My God. It was a really amazing experience and all. So that's almost everything here at the Jewel, and now let's head towards the terminal section, which is on the other side, and let's explore what more Singapore Changi Airport has got. So let's go. And according to my recommendation, coming here it's a must. Really loved it. So that's how what the inside of the Changi Airport Terminal 1 looks like. That's the departure section, and this is the check-in area line. So got plenty of check-in areas. Let's find ours. And then we'll be on our way. So I finally completed my check-in now, and now let's head towards the lounge and see how it is. So I think lounges are this way, so let's head out. one thing I have to admit, like really, Singapore is a shopping destination for all the shopaholics. You can find each and everything over here, and whether it's outside Singapore or at the airport, shopping is everywhere. From a normal brand to a luxury one, you can find anything over here. Now you guys must be wondering where have I come, right? But that's actually inside the airport only. My god, this is the first time I've ever seen a swimming pool inside an airport. Alright, so let's head back towards the flight now. It's almost the boarding time now. So all this while you must be wondering where's Sandy today. Actually, she left in the morning from another flight, so that's why she's not here at the moment, and I'm taking the evening flight, so I'm alone. Yeah, kind of feeling weird without her because just used to going out with her every time, but everything happens, it's okay. Not enjoying as much as I do with her, but still great. So that's our boarding gate just right there.